Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Today in this video we are going to see how to edit unwanted things on image. For example, if there is a photo, on top of that there is a text you wanted to take out, that also can be done. If there is an image, there is a text you wanted to clear it out, that also can be done. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, just select any of the image what you wanted to change, and you just bring it to Canva and just select that image and go to edit, and you can see here magic eraser. See, as soon as you select here you can see the size of the brush. You can even increase or decrease the size of, depends how you want. Now I wanted to remove this text, so I just increased it. I will close this eraser, or even you can do open and magic eraser. I will increase this and I will just put this here, and also I will keep it over here. I don't want this text. I click on erase. It takes few seconds, but make sure that you have a valid license to this tool, otherwise it will not work for free editions. Okay, so this is how you can remove it. It's very easy and quick.